Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through a very pretty collection of fancy soft silk sarees. The material used in this vibrant collection is soft and light in weight. Beautiful 3D embossed design is running throughout the saree, through which beautiful puttas are symmetrically arranged. This collection is having a contrast rich pallu and a plain blouse, and the unique copper zari woven borders enhancing the elegance of these collections. This beautiful collection you are getting in an offer price of 850 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For placing your order, DM to the given WhatsApp number. Also, you can make your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages, and please avoid making direct calls. Also note, our payment mode is through online only. And even if you guys wanted a quick update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. The links be there in the description. We are having separate groups for silk sarees and pure cotton sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. Thank you for watching.